In this video, I'm going to show you how the Paymattic form builder works that includes the basics of input field customization, exploring all the available field types, and how you can use them to build any kind of payment or donation form. So let's get started. To create a form, click on Add New Form. You'll see three different options to get started. I'll go with the blank form so you can clearly see everything from the ground up. Now, type a / and search for any field, like the name field. It will instantly appear, and you can pick easily. Or click the plus icon to open the full list of available fields and select from there. For instance, I'll craft a payment form for event registration. You can see there are three major sections containing all the available fields. These are general fields, donation and product fields, payment method fields. Let's take the name, email, and phone number from the general fields so that we can know exactly who's filling out the form. Now, if you want these fields to be mandatory, you can mark them as required. To do that, hit the gear icon, and here are all the customization options. I'll just toggle required on for now. And keep in mind, these customization options can be a little different depending on the type of field type you are editing. The next step is to add the payment item. It is essential to define what you are selling, set prices, and allows customers to choose their preferred one. Let's rename the level first and hit the gear icon for the input field customization. A pop-up page appears. First, I'll mark it as required, and you can also enable the option to display images or products directly in your form if needed. Under payment selection, you can choose multiple options, but I'll stick with the choose one from multiple items, and let's fix the payment amount for each. Once everything looks good, click Update and save the form. To collect payment or donations, Paymattic offers 14 plus payment methods globally and locally. Just make sure you have connected your chosen gateway with Paymattic first. If you are not sure how to do that, I have dropped a link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. I'll pick the choose payment method. Once selected, the payment methods you have connected will appear here, giving your users more flexibility at checkout. Let me show you more customization options that are only applicable to this form. You have plenty of customization options like the form confirmation settings, receipt customization, and more. Let's take a look at the currency settings, which is, by the way, set as per global settings. You can always make changes by going to the custom option for this specific form. In the design section, you have a form layout and form element settings. You can tweak it as per your needs. As of now, I am happy with the default settings. Let's move on to scheduling. Paymattic lets you schedule and restrict forms, so you can run seasonal campaigns, set submission limits, and show custom messages. To get complete creative control and enhanced functionality for individual forms, you can use custom CSS and JS. Also, the built-in donation leaderboard in Paymattic showcases top donors, encouraging further contributions and transparency. However, those are in the Paymattic Pro versions. Once you complete the edit, press the Save button to save all the changes you made. And to see the preview of the form, click the eye icon, and this is the preview of the payment form that has just been created. Anyway, to embed and display the form on a specific page or post, you can easily copy this shortcode and paste it into your desired page or post. When users fill out the form and make a transaction, you'll get form-specific entries. Well, now you have all the ideas of how to add input fields to create a form in Paymattic. To give you more examples, let me show you a donation form. As you can see, all the essential fields are already in place, but there's one input field I really want to use, the donation progress item. This is a key feature. It lets you display a list of items with fixed prices and a progress bar so donors can see how close you are to your goal. Let's open the input field customization. You'll see plenty of options here. For example, in the general settings, you can upload an image, enable the progress bar to show on the front end, and if you upgrade to Pro, you can even accept recurring donations. Well, everything looks good, and now the form is ready to start accepting donations. Simply save your changes, copy the shortcode, and embed it to your WordPress site. And that's how you can use the Paymattic form builder. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to WPManageNinja for more helpful tips and tutorials just like this.